Hey everyone, it's Angel here. I have an unboxing for you from Paint Jam. I have the summer edition and birds edition. Hope everyone's doing well. And yeah, shall we get stuck in with the summer one? Right, Paint Jams, all of them are squares. They're great travel kits. I really enjoy doing them. So on the back we have 12 designs, and then inside the box is our toolkit. Oh, zoomed out. And then we have our drills and labelled. Look at the colour palette, yay! That is amazing. Here we have our sticker sheet. We've got quite a lot of colours, and the order is 1, 2, 3 and so on. Like if you want to put this in trays or containers, it's really easy to kit up. So I'm going to quickly go through the basic toolkits, which is great for a gift or, you know, travel and stuff like that. So we have our pen with the comfy grip. We have our wax, plastic tweezers, and multi-placer. Oh, usually you get 2, but I think I've only got the one. Oh, I do have the other one, sorry, which is smaller. So you got a 4 and a 7, and then your tray or your boat. So yeah, there you go. And then let's have a look at what we have. So like step-by-step instructions. Tips and tricks, need some help and instructions, and what's included in your kits. So what we have is this beautiful coconut tree in the sunset, and here's your plastic and your glue, very sticky, and the canvas is very sturdy. That's the word. So that's our first one. We have Hello Summer. Look at all that. Oh, the pelican, so cute. Watermelon. And then we have a camping fan and the surfboards. Again with the coconut tree, it could be a banana tree. Suitcase, I love trip. So the hat and the bag as well. And 2 surfboards by banana tree, I'm going to say that. And then we have like a cabin with the fire, like the campfire as well, so that's pretty good. And then what is this? Is that like a volcano? And obviously the trees. And then we got a little boat, a sailing boat in the sunset. These might be the birds. And then we have this beautiful waterfall. And then a beach with an umbrella and deck chair. Oh, lighthouse on the beach with the umbrella and the chair. And again with the birds. And then finally we have, yep, sandals, beach sandals or Crocs. socks. They're more like sandals to me. And we've got the seashells, which is pretty cool. So there you go. That's the summer edition. So yeah, I'm going to pack all this away and get the next one ready. Okay, so we have the birds one now. How many designs? Oh, we have 16 designs and all the names. That's good. That'd be great to name the birds properly. Again, basic toolkit, same as the last one I showed you, so we don't need to go through that again. Here is the drills. And let's get stuff in. What we got? Oh, 16. This is a Mandara duck. Mandarling duck. That's a dove. Is it a dove? No, it's actually a pigeon. Looks like yeah. Okay, we'll just go with it. Right, that's definitely a swan. Ooh, is this a crane bird? Yep, it's a crane bird. That's definitely or hummingbird. Yes, hummingbird. And eagle. Yay, it's an eagle. Pheasant. Am I right? Yeah, it's a pheasant. Oh, a pelican. Yeah. Yeah. Penguin. What is this one? A toucan. It is a toucan. Peacock. Flamingo. And what's this one? A titbird. Oh, a robin. An owl. And then it's a parrot. There you go. There's the 16 birds. Which one's your favourite one? Oh, so I definitely like the peacock and the flamingo, the hummingbird, the swan, the owl and the robin. So yeah, I'm really happy with them. They're so cute. Okay, let me know which pack you liked the most, and do you have them in your stash or have you completed them? Please let me know in the comments. I would love to know. So yeah, I'll see you in the next video, guys. Stay safe, stay amazing, and happy diamond painting. Bye.